What happened one time, we used to live in an apartment, and the carpet had a lot of dust, and the vacuum was not, that was not in a good quality, so it would not take out the dust properly. I can tell you what dust can do you. So my husband would get frequent upper respiratory infection, coughing, bronchitis. So we went to the doctor, and he said, I knew the answer, doctor, at home, but because I wanted to have X-ray and everything, he would get frequent infections. So found out that our vacuum cleaner was not doing the job, and we have a lot of that dust was causing it. So we had to ask our landlord to remove our carpet. And then he was I think he was not sick for years then. So these are simple things. I'm telling you how important it is to have your house clean, have your workplace clean, your car clean. So cleanliness is the key to be healthy.